Hello and welcome to Dawn's Tomorrow. Hear that? It's quiet. That's what you need. That's what you're going to need if you want to be ready for the SHTF. Our lives are filled with so much noise these days. You have the radio, you have your devices, you have the television, you have media, you have people talking. You go to work, there's noise at work. You go outside to your car, there's noise from cars. There's noise everywhere you turn, everywhere you go. Your brain does not have a chance to function without outside influences or disturbances. So, in order to get ready for the shit hits the fan, sorry for those that term offends, because there are some viewers that don't like to hear that, but I'm sorry, I can't think of a nicer way to say it because that's what it's going to be. You need to exercise silence. You're going to have to take time out so that you can think. You can be alone with your thoughts. Your brain will be trained to not need help, to know how to feel, how to think, or to know what to do next. You're going to have to be alone with you, to focus on you. You need to be alone with your feelings, your thoughts, the atmosphere, the environment. You need to pay attention to your breathing. Need to be in the moment, meditate, so to speak. We have to stop and take time out for yourself, because when it happens, you are what matters, not everything that's going on around you. You have to block it all out and home in on you. Now, your brain is going to be waiting for something else to happen, like the radio to tell you what to do, or your device to tell you directions to go, or someone to come on there and to start talking to you and to tell you what to do. You're going to have to be able to count on you. You're going to have to look inside you and find drive, find courage, find awakeness, to wake yourself up and to be in the moment and to be ready. So take a day, take some hours, cut all this noise out of your life and start your exercise. Start the practice of getting to know you. And enjoy the quiet. Enjoy the peace. Enjoy the thinking and the preparedness that is within you. Food for thought. Think about it. Good bugging out.